Hey everyone, welcome back to Royal Logos. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will design a logo by using the golden ratio. In our previous video, we covered a comprehensive case study along with some tangible sketching. You can also check the video by visiting the link in the I button. And now, we will design our logo by using one of these sketches. So let's switch to Adobe Illustrator. First of all, in Adobe Illustrator, go to File and select New. Then select the units to pixels. Select the width to 1920 and height to 1080 pixels. Then select OK. Now, if your preview isn't appearing like this, then simply go to this menu and select Essentials Classic. And now we will place our reference image on this artboard. So simply go to File and select Place. Then simply select the destination where you have saved your image. Then simply select it. Then select Place. Then simply click once at this corner. We will design our logo by using this sketch. So select the rectangle tool and simply draw a rectangle like this one. Then select the selection tool, select both of these parts, right click and select Make Clipping Mask. And simply drag it like this. Now we will create our geometry that follows the golden ratio. Again, select the rectangle tool and simply draw a perfect square by holding down the shift key. And to apply the stroke color, we will simply go to this menu and select this red color. Then select the selection tool, and to make a copy of this square, simply hold down the alternate key and drag it like this. And to make a third copy, again hold down the alternate key and drag it like this. And to increase the dimensions of this square, simply hold down the shift key and drag the mouse cursor up to this point. Again, make a copy of this square by holding down the alternate key. Then hold down the shift key and increase the dimensions up to this point. Select all of these shapes and drag them at this position. Then select only this rectangle and make a copy of this one by holding down the alternate key. Then increase the dimensions of this one by holding down the shift key. Now this is the basic geometry of golden ratio in 4 different stages. These 2 squares are considered as stage 1. This one is stage 2 and 3 and 4. Then select the ellipse tool and draw a circle from this anchor point to this one. Also for this square. And finally for this one. Now we only need these circles. So select the selection tool, select these squares and press delete. Then select all of these circles, go to Windows and select Align. Then select Horizontal Align Center and also Vertical Align Center. And now to differentiate between these circles, we will simply apply different colors. Select this circle, go to this menu and select this green color. And for this one, we will simply apply this blue color. And for the last one, again go to this menu and select this black color. Then select this reference sketch and increase the dimensions like this. Then reduce the value of opacity to 20%. Then go to Windows, select Layers. And here we have the clipped image layer. Simply click on this area to lock it. Select all of these circles and now we will adjust the dimensions as per the sketch. And to adjust the dimensions of the bigger circle, we will simply reduce the size like this. And I think that this is much better. Once you are done, simply hold down the alternate key and drag them like this. Now select these inner circles and press delete. Now hold down the alternate key and drag this red circle at this position. Again hold down the alternate key and drag it like this. Then select this green circle and drag it at this position. And to have a better visual, simply press Z and zoom in this area. And now we have to make sure that this green circle intersects with both of these red circles. And to have a better visual, simply press Ctrl+Y. And I think that this is better. So again reset the view by pressing Ctrl+Y. Now reset the page view by pressing Ctrl+0. Now select this blue circle, hold down the alternate key and drag it at this position. Again press Z and zoom in this area. Select the selection tool and intersect this blue circle with this red circle. Now simply hold down the alternate key and drag this blue circle at this position. Finally, select this black circle, hold down the alternate key and drag it at this position. Again press Z and zoom in this area. And make sure that this black circle intersects with both of these circles, green one and also blue one. And I think that this is better. Now select the pen tool and simply draw a line from this path to this one. And press enter to complete the shape. Then select the selection tool, select all of these shapes, select the shape builder tool, and to delete the unwanted parts, we will simply hold down the alternate key and drag the cursor like this. Now press Z and zoom in this area. Again select the shape builder tool and drag the cursor like this. Then select the selection tool, select all of these shapes and select the value of stroke to 30 points. Then select only this shape, go to this stroke menu and select bevel join. Also select this one, again go to stroke and select bevel join. Now hold down the shift key and press the left arrow button 5 times. Select the direct selection tool, then select the area between these two anchor points and press delete. Then again go to stroke and from the cap simply select projecting cap. Again hold down the shift key and this time press the right arrow button 5 times. And once you are done, simply select all of these parts, go to object, select path and select outline stroke. And reduce the value of opacity to 50%. Then select only this shape, go to object, select path and select offset path. Select the offset value to 10 pixels and select OK. Again select all of these shapes, select the shape builder tool, hold down the alternate key and simply delete this one and also this one. Then select the selection tool, select only this shape and press delete. Now to delete the unwanted parts, simply select this shape, go to edit and select cut. Then select these shapes and press delete. Also this one and press delete. Again go to edit and select paste in front. Now select this shape, simply press Z and zoom in this area. Select the direct selection tool, select only this anchor point and simply drag it at this corner. Also for this one, like this. Then go to object, select path and select offset path. Select the offset value to 10 pixels and select OK. Again select all of these parts, select the shape builder tool, hold down the alternate key and simply delete this part. Select only this shape and press delete. Now reset the page view by pressing Ctrl+0. Now select all of these shapes, go to Windows and select Pathfinder. Then select Unite. And now we will design the beak. Simply press Z and zoom in this area. Then select the pen tool and draw a shape like this one. Select these shapes and select Unite. Then select only this anchor point and drag this circular icon like this. Also for this one and simply drag it like this. Now press Z, zoom in this area and simply adjust this one. To draw this eye, simply press Z and zoom in this area. Then select the ellipse tool and draw a circle by holding down the shift key. Select both of these shapes and select Unite. Now we doesn't need these circles, so select them and press delete. Also, we doesn't need this reference sketch, so simply go to Window and select Layers. And simply hide this image layer. And with this, we are done with our minimalistic logo design by using the golden ratio. You can apply different modifications and colors as per your choice. I hope you enjoyed today's design process with the help of golden ratio. You can share your thoughts in the comments section. Now give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. and have a nice day.